Tracey from Crockers. Today I wanted to talk with you about wallpaper. In the many years that we've been selling wallpaper, one of the biggest issues that people have is making a decision. And when you walk into our showroom, you will find that there are many wallpaper books. They're everywhere. There's wallpaper patterns that are up on the wall that you can have a look at. What I would suggest is that if you have been looking around online, for example, your phone or your computer, and you're seeing lots and lots of different designs popping out at you, that's really good. You're getting a good idea about what things you like and what things that you don't like. One of the hardest things to do is to actually choose a pattern that is on a computer. So it's like colour. You can't choose a paint colour on a computer. You need to say, come and get a sample pot, for example, and take it home and brush it out. So one of the ways that we make it easier for you here at Crockers is that you come to the showroom, you get to see some beautiful wallpapers like these. Now, wallpaper, it's human nature to want to touch things and see things up close. So one of the first things that you will do is you will touch wallpapers like this. So this book here, for example, this one has a beautiful glass beading on it. Now, if you looked at that on a computer, it would look to you just like a simple stripe. But when you come into the showroom, you will hold it up and you'll see that they're on different angles. It will pick up lots of different colors. So that's a reason that you actually need to come in and have a look at the books. So for example, another example would be, say a textured wallpaper like this one. I'm showing you this design, which is blue. That is a very fine texture. Then I might show you another texture in here, which is, let's say, let's have a look at, say, this one. There's all different colors there, but that's a completely different texture. And then I might show you, say, this one, and that's a different texture again. So realistically, if you're looking at that on a computer, it might look like one block of color. When you come into the wallpaper shop, you will be able to feel that texture. You'll be able to see the difference that between that it's a finer texture or it's a coarser texture. And that's going to make a difference to you when you get it home on your wall. Have a look at this one here. So this wallpaper here has got glass beads on it as well. So when it's up like that, it looks completely different to when it's flat. Right, another reason that you need to come and have a look and play around with them and feel them. So one of the other things that we do that make it a little bit more simple for you is that you can actually borrow the wallpaper book. So not only do you look at the design that you like, but you'll be able to look through and you'll be able to look at all the different colors, and you'll be able to put it against the wall that you're going to put it on, and you're going to see if it's the right color. So you might come up with something totally different. So you're also going to be able to get family members and that to give you their opinion on it. So you could go and order one sample, maybe online, but you aren't going to end up with one paper. So that's the beauty. Come into Crockers. And not only that, once you've decided on a wallpaper or you're not sure, we can help you with maybe a second opinion, or we can also get a colour consultant to come out. So once you've decided on your wallpaper, then we offer trade service wallpaper installation as well. So I'm going to do a few more videos about our wallpapers, and I'm going to show you some nice wallpaper ranges at a later date. But just to make it easier for you, come in and have a look. And if you've got any questions, just ask below. I'd like to hear your biggest problem as well. And yeah, we're here to help. We're in Box Road, Miranda. Come into our beautiful showroom where you can see hundreds of patterns, and we'll make it more simple for you. Okay, see ya.